My people, journalists Adeola Faye who don't raise alarm, and this person beg me say, Madam Aproko, abeg help me push this thing because only in voice we no go fit hear am. My people no be smart, you know. As I dey talk to na. Fat Benz Petroleum, wetin they call organization, a big company. They don't raise alarm for Nigerians as I dey talk to na. The filling station where they talk about from petrol. Now water they sell for people. Water. Una think say dey joke. The pipe where they bring petrol now so water, and this one happen after they don't sell for how many customers. People don't ready dey because as they sell finish, person wan start car no go start. Even Okada, they won't start their bike, e no go start. Now so they start dey check, say wetin don happen. And as I dey talk to now my people, many people car don develop fault. They no fit move. They know, in fact, the thing just cause big kasala. Now why I bring am? So for now, we no know wetin dey shele. Fat Benz Petroleum, join me, make we watch the video.
Wetin be the name of this filling station abeg? Everything water. Let me pump it. Let me see. Everything, all the tank, everything, water. Jesus. Water, everything, water. Everything, water.
Yes, sir.
Please, do it, let me see. Please. Do the video. See, water. Water, see, water. What are you saying? They're not going to see water.
Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water.
This is water. They've been selling water. Now.
I dey wait for the day where we go sleep for Nigeria. Wake up without bad news. That day, maybe that day itself they go blow trumpet because it be like say they don't swear for this country. Every day when they wake up, now one thing don't happen, another thing don't happen. In fact, every day of my life, as soon as they see me like this, I dey shake my head to make sure say my brain still dey inside. Because anything fit happen, you fit just wake up now. You go just say, you no get brain again, or the thing don't come out. Which kind bad things every day? Now after this thing happen, where we dey raise alarm now, so I don't know whether na the manager be the CEO. He don't come out now, come dey apologize, say he dey very sorry, say say this thing don't happen, and now they don't start investigation. He even they call the people cars where don't spoil. If they call on them because I don't know whether I want help them or I don't know, but I just they hope say no be sorry matter. You won't call them. They tell them say I'm sorry. My people, right now they don't shut down that particular filling station according to the investigation where they happen. If truly this man they come out now, they tell us true because many people now they talk say Madam Aproko no be intentional, say a mistake, say no this one. I beg, if truly no be intentional, meaning say now poor maintenance. Because you no go tell me say no how water manage enter that place. How? If not be say they even leave that thing open, maybe rain don't fall, it don't go inside. And they think two things now. Meaning say una no even dey serious. Una no even dey serious. Both the owner, both the management, both the workers. In fact, all of una no even dey one bit serious. Una see damage una don cause now. Person go buy expensive car, wetin go come spoil am because he go buy fuel. May better be say no be him. No, I go just take to una word. Because see, no, una don't think this thing. How come this thing like this never happened before? Say you go buy fuel, they put water. How come? Now when they don't increase fuel, we just dey hear different things. Why is it now? Una sure say these people, based on fuel don't cost now. They don't go do business with the wrong person. Maybe they don't go for cheaper rate of fuel. They can't give them nonsense. Then too, they no fit. See, my people, I dey tell una this thing. the earlier you start dey waka with this mindset, the better you go live your life for this country. Anything is possible. Just see, they carry am like that for your mind. I no trust I will believe anything again. Where person go come outside, they tell us story, this one. Now today we dey hear am. Tomorrow now you go hear say, truly, now that one happen. They don't go look for cheap this thing petrol. Go put am there. They don't even know say they mix the thing with water or something. Something definitely they behind this thing. It is very important. Because you no go tell me, no, if na me, that filling station, forget am. We go lock am down. You know fit just dey cause damage. Now people dey talk say na government, people dey talk say, wait, why una dey even call government inside this matter? Government enter that place. I mean, na the only filling station wey dey Nigeria be that. Na only them know wetin they do go do. Na only them. Hey, Nigeria. I just dey wonder, wait, imagine say people no even realize this thing. No, may we just imagine. Say people still they come, they buy. They no even realize, say, okay, now water dey inside this thing. They go continue. Nobody go even come outside, come they apologize because we don't see them. Now they make them, now they come outside, they tell us plenty. I beg. Anything one I want thing, make una think about me. In fact, I did 200%. Say these people, they know wetin happen. They know why this thing water dey inside, and they still no talk anything about am. So I beg for una wey no say una car dey involved, abi your okada inside this thing wey happen, you better go back there because they call una for damages. They must pay for these damages. I no go take any story wey una dey bring. Damages must be paid for. Very, very important. Next time una go dey careful. Both your workers, how una go leave that thing like that? For una wey dey talk say rain fall, water enter inside, how? Meaning say una no dey careful, and this thing like this, if you kill people, you know which accident fit happen. Imagine your car start then in the middle of the road, water start dey. Abeg, see, make we start dey take things carefully. Very, very important. I know they like all the you guys. In fact, una need dey more careful. Wetin be that? Abeg, leave government. I no say very no, not true. I no say government they get their own, but when I see this matter, make una leave government first. Leave government first. These people, they know wetin happen inside that place. Very, very important. So I beg, I know say many of una now go dey get plenty reasons, whether na rain, whether na government, anyone, anything wey you get against wetin I don talk, no wahala, e dey accepted. So start dey drop am for that comment section. I go reply una one by one. So my people, una don hear wetin dey shele right now for Nigeria. For una wey never buy am, abeg, if you dey go buy petrol, check am well. Very, very important. Abeg, subscribe if you never subscribe, and share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. Stay tuned for our next story.